Hello, and today we're going to be sewing on some vinyl. There have been some questions about what is the best to use on vinyl. So right now I'm just going to sew with a regular foot. I do have my stitch length set to 3.1. This is a basketball type vinyl. It's pretty sturdy. It doesn't have any stretch. So let's look at this on the regular foot. So as you can see, it's sewing it right along. And it makes a good stitch. Hopefully you can see that. I got it red. I've not had any issue with it. Next, we're going to do a luster vinyl that I have. It's got like a canvasy or almost like a flannel canvas type back. We're going to try this one as well. As you can see, the back of this one, it makes good stitches. And the front of it seems to be nice and secure. So let's go ahead and take the regular foot off and put the walking foot on. So give me just a second. Let's go ahead and do some more vinyl right here of the basketball type. It's not having any issues. I didn't appear to drag. It's a nice tight, the stitches look very nice. Let's try this with the luster vinyl again. We'll see how this one does. On this, I'm actually using a 7511 needle, which is not something I would normally use for vinyl. But as you can see, it's good. The stitches are nice. We're going to go ahead and put the regular attachment back on for the feet. And this time we're going to put the vinyl or teflon foot on. See if the teflon foot makes it any easier whatsoever. So here's the basketball vinyl again. It doesn't seem to have near the drag that it did. It seems to be sewing a lot smoother on the basketball vinyl. The stitches look good. And they're still good. Let's try this on the luster vinyl. Again, it works great. It doesn't seem to have any lag. So next I'm going to change my presser foot or my needle plate to the teflon plate. Trying to. I've never put my teflon plate on here before. There we go. And we will sew the basketball vinyl. It sews very, very smooth. And then again, we will try this luster and see how it works. So I would say anything that you want to sew like this, I would definitely look at this plate. It is an expensive plate, but I actually purchased it with the Teflon foot. I think that's possibly the only way you can get it, but I'm not 100% sure. But it is nice and smooth, and you can definitely tell the difference from it versus the regular foot when it's sewing on it. So hopefully you can figure out, you know, which foot and which needle plate combination you want to use, but hopefully you can tell by the sound of the machine exactly how much better it was sounding when you use the Teflon needle plate. So that's it for today. Bye.